Hi there, welcome to my channel. Looking for fresh and innovative ways to brighten up your living room? In this video, we share sunny living room ideas that will help you create a warm, inviting space filled with natural light and positive energy. Whether you are working with a small, cozy area or a spacious family room, these tips will guide you on how to make the most of natural light. Choose the perfect color scheme and style your space for a light, airy atmosphere. Learn how to strategically place furniture and decor to make the most of the sunlight that comes through your windows. Discover how removing heavy drapes and opting for shade curtains or blinds can create a seamless transition between your indoor and outdoor spaces, making the room feel larger and more open. We will show you how to use the soft neutral colors like white, beige and light grey, as well as pastels to reflect light and create a serene open space. You will also learn how adding pops of colors with yellows, soft blues or greens can complement the sunny theme without overwhelming the room. Mirrors are an amazing tool for reflecting natural light and making room feel brighter. We shall guide you on the best mirror placement to maximize light and make your living room feel more spacious. Plus, learn how to incorporate reflective surfaces like metallic accents, glass coffee tables, and light colored floors to further enhance the effect. We shall help you choose light colored furniture that doesn't overpower the room and keeps the space feeling open. Discover the benefits of using minimalist furniture that allows light to flow through and creates a less cluttered look, perfect for a sunny living room vibe. Nothing complements a sunny room more than indoor plants and natural materials. We shall show you the best ways to incorporate greenery to freshen up your space, and how using natural woods and other organic textures can create a harmonious balance between the indoor and outdoors. While natural light is the star of the show during the day, you will also need to think about evening lighting. Learn how to incorporate warm-toned lighting that mimics the glow of the sun, keeping your living room feeling cozy and inviting even after the sun sets. This video is perfect for anyone looking to create a bright, cheerful living room that promotes relaxation and positive energy. Whether you are updating your current living room or starting from the scratch, these tips will help you make smart design choices that enhance the natural beauty of your space. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like it for more home inspiration. Up till next time, happy decorating.